Afternoons for all participants Borobudur International Symposium 2023. Introduce, I am Rahmat from Department of Electrical Engineering Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Surakarta, and my team Mr. Budi Nugroho and Mr. Arif Hidayat Woko. I will presentation for results my research with title Internet of Things Application for Monitoring and Recording Solar Power Plant Data. We come to problem for my research. The availability of fossil energy source to produce electricity to provide electricity used by industry and society is increasingly limited. Alternative source of electricity that do not depend on fossil energy source as energy source to drive prime mover generator for power plant have been mobilized and developed as alternative source of electricity, one which is solar cell. Solar cell is a device that can convert sunlight into electricity and then store in battery, become alternative electricity energy to meet various electric power needs. Monitoring the currents and voltage produced by solar cell is very necessary to find out how much power the solar cell we use produce. Measuring light intensity helps us know the intensity of light absorbed by solar cell. This research aims to apply Internet of Things technology for monitor the electrical power produced by solar panel. The method using in this research prepare several elements. The ITO system developed consists of the web server, smartphone, or computer as device to monitor the current and voltage produced by solar cell, and ESP32 to process data from currents, voltage, temperature, and light intensity sensor installed on the solar cell, and then send data to the web server. Data sent from the ESP32 is stored on web server and can be accessed by smartphone or computer. The IoT system that builds and develops use PGGM 017 voltage and current sensor, the S1XP20 temperature sensor, and looks the H170 sensor. ESP microcontroller is known the GPIO can use to read data from sensor reading is possible to send to the web server. Figure 1 describe how to flowchart a program in ESP32. First, the initialization, and then read sensor data voltage, current, temperature, intensity of sign, and then delay 1 second, and data takes 3 time and result the take of data, calculate an average calculates to send data to web server. And figure 2 log development system IoT describe the system we developed. The first is the ESP use SYP station and read data from solar panel, and there are 3 sensor current sensor and voltage sensor using VGA-M, and then sensor DS1XB20 for to detect temperature sensor, and finally using sensor AIS 1750 as uh, sensor intensity and text data intensity, and ESP32 send data to web server, and in web server data uh, stored and can be look anytime we need. And figure 3 is the realization of installation sensor and control device in the IoT system being created. And this picture describes there are solar panel to monitor current, voltage, and this figure this uh, device we develop for the collecting data from solar panel and send to web server. The research results. This picture from data from web server, and we access from browser, or this data can be browsed and accessed with smartphone, and data is describes the records of data logs, temperature, voltage in solar panel. In the graphic from intensity, temperature, and voltage and current present in this figure. The result of research data takes from 7 days with takes voltage, current, temperature, and intensity and power. The wider utilizations of the IoT system creates the use of the IoT system that we create from the examples of collecting data from solar panel used by household solar power generation panel can be used to measure power produced in the area where the solar panel fan is implemented or used. The tool we have developed can be used to determine the feasibility of using a solar power plant where the solar panel will be installed and have sufficient sunlight to be able to process the solar panel into electrical power. The conclusions of the results of my research: solar power plants are option to reduce electrical energy source from fossil fuel. The use of solar power plants has begun to be widely used both at household user level and for large-scale use in areas that experience difficulty in distributing conventional electricity. Utilizing of the IoT technology is needed to monitor the power produced by solar panel in solar power plants. By monitoring data from solar panel, data on electrical power produced from solar panel is obtained. In this research, an IoT system has been created to monitor the parameter must be known and solar panel. From the results of measurement of the solar panel using current, voltage, temperature, and light intensity sensor, and data collection was carried out for 7 days, data on power produced per day has obtained 140.2 VA. The temperature on the panel during the day is 48.21 degrees Celsius with light intensity of 1380 lux. This data describes the power produced per day from the place with intensity of light received by solar cell to produce electrical power. As the saw, monitoring data using IoT system that we developed. From this case, the IoT system that have been developed can monitor initial data for which where solar panel will be installed to be used and software. Thanks, terima kasih.